Welcome. Thank you for being here. This is not just a video. This is not just motivation. This is your wake-up call. Today I want to talk to you about something that can completely change your life. Something more powerful than money. Something more important than talent. Something more rare than intelligence. And that something is value. Yes, your personal value. You see, people in this world don't treat you based on your heart. They don't reward you based on your hard work. They don't pay you for your time. They don't care how much you've suffered. They respond to your value. They listen to your value. They respect your value. They pay for your value. They follow your value. So if you feel like the world is ignoring you, if you feel like people don't take you seriously, if you feel invisible, unimportant, unappreciated, let me tell you this. It's not because you're useless. It's not because you're stupid. It's not because you're unlucky. It's because they don't see your value yet. And whose job is it to show them your value? Your value is not something you're born with. It's not something you inherit. It's not about your family, your city, your education, or your past. Value is something you build with daily work, with discipline, with silence, with improvement. And once you raise your value, nobody can ignore you. Nobody can replace you. Nobody can treat you like you're nothing. People will pay attention. People will respect you without asking. People will follow you without begging. Because in this world, you don't need to fight for space. You just need to become so valuable that space is automatically made for you. Let me say it again because this is the core truth. You can't create more time, but you can create more value. We don't get paid for time. We get paid for value. You can cry about being ignored, or you can quietly become too valuable to be ignored ever again. So today, I'm going to give you 9 brutal rules. Rules that are not soft. Rules that are not sugar-coated. Rules that are not for lazy people. These rules are for people who want to become the best version of themselves. People who are tired of being average. People who are ready to build value so high that the world will have no choice but to respect them. And I'm going to explain each rule in the most powerful, most simple, and most motivational way possible. So even if your English is basic, even if your confidence is low, even if nobody believes in you right now, you can still understand everything. You can still grow. You can still win. This video is not made to make you feel good for 10 minutes. It's made to change the direction of your entire life. So now, take a deep breath. Get ready. This is the beginning of your transformation. Let's begin with rule number 1. And I want you to really feel this one in your soul. Rule 1. Stop being too available. Start becoming valuable. Let me ask you a simple question.